Collation, comparing and organizing with precision. Imagine you're at a grand buffet, surrounded by an array of delectable dishes. Now, picture someone meticulously arranging and comparing these dishes, ensuring everything is in perfect order. This process of careful arrangement and comparison is exactly what our word of the day, collation, embodies. Word type: collation is a noun. Meaning, collation refers to the careful and critical comparison of texts, documents, or data, especially with the aim of noting points of agreement or disagreement. It can also mean the act of collecting and combining, or a light meal. Word history: the term collation comes from the Latin word collatio, meaning a bringing together or comparison. It entered the English language in the 14th century, initially used in the context of monastic practices where monks would gather to read and discuss religious texts. Antonyms: while collation implies careful comparison and organization, its antonyms suggest disorder or separation. Some antonyms include disorganization, separation, and dispersal. Synonyms: synonyms for collation include comparison, juxtaposition, contrast, compilation, and assembly. Examples used in sentences. The meticulous collation of ancient manuscripts revealed previously unknown details about medieval life. The librarian spent hours on the collation of rare books to ensure their proper cataloging. After the long meeting, the team enjoyed a light collation in the conference room. Common errors in use. One common error is confusing collation with collection. While both involve gathering items, collation specifically implies comparison or arrangement. Another mistake is using collation only in its food-related sense, overlooking its primary meaning of careful comparison. In the realm of IELTS, understanding and correctly using a word like collation can significantly enhance your lexical resource score. It demonstrates a sophisticated grasp of English, showing you can precisely describe complex processes of comparison and organization. Remember, collation isn't just about gathering. It's about the critical examination of what's gathered. Whether you're discussing data analysis, literary studies, or even describing a light meal, using collation accurately can elevate your language to that coveted Band 9 level. So, next time you're comparing documents, organizing data, or even arranging a small feast, remember the word collation, a testament to your advanced vocabulary and a step closer to IELTS excellence.